The Samsung Galaxy S25 launch is just around the corner, and we're getting some juicy details about it ahead of time. While the spotlight at next month's Unpacked event will mostly be on the three main Galaxy flagships, there's also some buzz around the Galaxy S25 Slim. Both Samsung and Apple are gearing up to release their thinnest flagship phones yet this year, and it's looking like it's going to be a race to see who can go the slimmest. Apple's been working on the iPhone 17 Air to replace the iPhone 17 Plus, while Samsung is ready to unveil the Galaxy S25 Slim in the next few months. Both companies are trying to shave off as much thickness as possible, with Apple actually taking the lead in this department. According to new reports from Korea, the Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to be about 6.6 millimeters thick, while Apple's iPhone 17 Air will be even thinner at just 6.25 millimeters. That's 1.65 millimeters thinner than last year's iPhone 16, which came in at 7.8 millimeters. Apple seems to have noticed that the Plus models haven't really caught on in sales, and it's possible that's why they're replacing the iPhone 17 Plus with the Air model. Samsung, on the other hand, is sticking with the Galaxy S25 Plus for now, but is using the Slim model as a way to test the waters for future changes. The strategies are a bit different. Apple is going all in with the sleeker design by replacing an existing model, while Samsung is easing into it with the Galaxy S25 Slim, possibly to get a feel for how the market reacts before making any big changes. Sure, the iPhone might edge out the Galaxy in terms of sheer thinness, but the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim is likely going to have some seriously impressive specs that could give Apple a run for its money in other areas. This thinner version of the phone is expected to debut alongside the others, and now we've got some exciting info about its cameras. We all know that adding more powerful cameras usually means making the phone thicker, especially when it comes to telephoto lenses. But Samsung might have found a way around that issue with some cool new tech. According to a leak from the trusted source, Jukan Losrivan X, the Galaxy S25 Slim will use something called all lenses on prism tech. This is the same tech Samsung teased last month, which shortens the camera module by 22% compared to traditional folded optics. That's huge for making slimmer phones without sacrificing camera quality. This setup uses a 40-degree tilted prism and a 10-degree tilted sensor assembly to keep the phone's design sleek and the camera bump much smaller than usual. It's definitely a big move for Samsung, and it wouldn't be surprising if other brands start adopting this tech soon. Right now, it looks like the Galaxy S25 Slim will be the first to rock all lenses on prism, but the release timeline is a bit unclear. Some reports say it'll be announced at Unpacked, but won't hit stores until mid-2025, alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Others think we might get the Galaxy S25 Slim in February 2025, along with the regular S25 models. No matter what happens, it's clear that Samsung is trying something new here, setting the S25 Slim apart from its usual flagships. Whether or not this gamble pays off remains to be seen. So, what do you think about this new all lenses on prism tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.